Man, I love the sight to see another boat in front of me. Man, the guy made a mistake. It's cool. Now Ma caught up to me. Da 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 da. Just look at that. This rarely ever happens. That probably happens very commonly. But he was turned off for the day. Look at that. This is a rare mistake that employees do. Very rare. Bamboo. Another boat in front of us, and we're pushing it. If it wasn't for the boat, I wouldn't be recording. Actually, I still would, but I think that's paint. No, not paint. That is still very cool. It's a rare sight to see the boat break down. Ride malfunction. This is a very rare ride malfunction. Wow. Wow. I'm never going to forget this day again. He accidentally let the boat go past while putting the brakes on. No motor, just...
How is it going faster?
I'm pushing a boat. Meaning I'm a tugboat. Just look at this turn. Oh my god, this is a rare experience for everyone. Oh, that brakes sound awful in that truck. There's a truck over there and the brakes sound awful. Huh. I'm never gonna forget this day. Wait, that's how they're designed? Huh. I never realized how these were designed. It's kind of amazing. Huh?